I really don't like the sounds I'm hearing from those branches. And it's raining now, which is insane because it was about 100 degrees today. Yeah, hopefully my my cloths over my plants fucking survive. God, that is... God damn. I'm like standing next to the side of my house in case I need to fucking dodge behind it. Yeah, hold... Okay, yeah, there you go. Little tiny little branch. Holy shit. This is insane. Oh, ooh. Ooh, that sounded either really bad or like thunder. I think a tree broke way over there. Holy shit. And hit something. I don't know. God damn.